Hi and welcome back to Sci-Fi Builds. I'm your host Wayne, and this is part 27 of the LEGO Guardians of the Galaxy ship build. We're halfway through stage or bag 13, and what we're going to be doing is finishing off the wingtip here like we did in the previous video. If you're enjoying the build, please do like, share and leave a comment in the box below. Likewise, if you don't stick around for long with the videos because you've, for whatever reason, please do tell me in the comments box below. I can only improve this channel with your input, and I'd like to improve it. So yeah, this has been a really enjoyable build. If you can get this on Amazon for about £80, then I suggest you do, because it would be really good value for money at that particular price. Having said that, the LEGO standard retail price of being £130 is not too bad, a little bit on the high price, but then we are in the middle of a cost of living crisis and money is tight for everybody, and I do appreciate that. So yeah, if you can get this set from Amazon for about £80, then it really is a good bargain and represents great value for money. Anyway, that's enough of me talking about the build so far, and let's get on with building the wingtip for the other side. So it's going to be pretty much the same as what we did last time. I'm going to get these pieces out. Going to be using that one at some point. So I take the 9 grey and the orange tile. What I also like about this particular build is the colour scheme. It's totally different from Star Wars, which is predominantly just a dull grey colour. So it's nice to be using Lego pieces in this very vibrant orange. And also, the new Guardians of the Galaxy film has been released. Did you go and watch it? What did you think of it? Please leave a comment in the box below. And did you know I also have a sister channel to this, and that's Sci-Fi Movie Trivia. On that channel I discuss pop culture and trivia. I do the occasional review. I did start doing reviews when I created the channel to begin with, but then the wonderful thing happened in 2020 and it was difficult to go out to the cinema, so that's why I changed it to movie trivia, because that's something that I can do from home. And that's where the off-screen oracle actually came into it. She, that's my wife by the way, she started to help me because I also do the TikTok channel as well, and that's Sci-Fi Fans, and she helps me by researching some of the movie trivia. So we're flipping this over, and we'll do what we did last time. We'll pop the grey on there. That will let us know how far down this has got to go. And that goes on there like that. So yeah, she doesn't want to be on camera, the other half, which is fair enough, not everyone does. But she does help me out by doing the research for some of the movie trivia. So there you go. Pop that on there. Also do a podcast, Sci-Fi Fans, and again that's movie trivia, where I talk about films for around about 10 minutes. What I generally do is cover the same films that I've covered on the YouTube channel. However, I go into a lot more detail with regards to contracts, box office numbers, and various bits of pieces like that. So there we go. Back to the build. So yeah, that's it. That's all in there. That's this wingtip done. Now the other parts. I'm really hoping I've got a spare one of these so I can finish off the one that I haven't got for the actual ship itself. So with this, again, we're building a right-sided part of the wing. So we have this at a slightly different angle. And put that there. Put blue. There's a pull piece. And pull piece going there. And that's blue. it sits with the other one. And that one goes here. Sits, so looking at it this way, that sits that way around with the orange on top. With our wing upside down, pop that on there like so. That's it. And then we start to finish it off on there. And that's that done. Now then. That on there. And this circle piece goes here. And that little thrust section goes there. And we flip it over. And we pop this grey snot piece on there. And it goes on there. Now, I was wondering what snot meant when it comes to Lego. And if you're wondering what it means, snot bricks are, it stands for studs not on top. But as you can see, I've got studs on top, but I've got studs on the side. So I'm not sure if that is technically a snot brick, but that's why I call them pieces snot pieces. So take our grey 2x6 and then our darker grey 2x4. Pop that on there. Pop that on there. Oh, cheese wood with the stud. And then the vents. Okay, like that. Like that. And they sit on there like that. Then we take the piece that I was trying to use for the other side, and that goes up there. That little ingot and a bit goes down. That piece goes there. Then we take this. Yeah, that's right. Just double checking. It's alongside there. That grey stud piece. There. That goes. I think it goes there. On there. Because I thought I had that too far over, but I haven't. Then we take our disc shaped piece here. That disc shaped piece there. Flip it over. And I've got a grey tile piece. That's what I've got a grey tile piece. So it's there. Now flip it over. These, some one of these on the outside, that's there. And that, and this one, and that goes through the tube, and that goes through the didn't take us quite as long as it did for the other side, did it? But then this is just simply a repeat of what we've done in the previous video. So that's going to go on there, it says. Should do. There we go. Right, so that are the wings. Okay, so that's where I'm going to end this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Yeah, as I say, it didn't take us as long to do the other side. So there you have it. What do you think of the build so far? Are you enjoying it? Do you like the content that I do on the channel? If you do, or even if you don't, leave a comment in the box below. Tell me how I can improve the channel and if there's any builds you'd like me to make in the future. In the meantime, do check out the other videos and I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself. Bye.